Hello, my name is Kazanfer and welcome back to this section. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about how we're going to pin our Excel ranges in our Microsoft Power BI, how we're going to add it to our report online, and let's see how it works. So let's go to our Microsoft Power BI online. Over here, we have our, let's not save them. Okay, so here we have our dashboards. Let's go to our sales dashboard. And as you can see, we have this. So maybe what I want is I want to make a pivot table over here and I want to pin it over there. So what I can do is I can take the total sales, put it in value. I can take the manufacturer, put it in rows. And what's simple is that I can highlight it and pin it to my workspace. Now, currently, my sales dashboard, the one that's named sales dashboard, isn't a dashboard, it's a report, but I have an existing dashboard called sales where I can pin this. So, what happens is that this is pinned to the dashboard, as you can see. Another thing that we can do is we can also put up a pivot table, and that too we can toggle around with it. So, maybe we want to remove that and we can see according to this, and we can filter it over here as well, so that's something you can toggle around with, and you can move this around. So this as well, you can go to Power BI and pin it to your sales, and as you can see, it's been pinned to the dashboard. Another thing that you can do is go to your pin manager and you can update your pivot tables. Update, 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 and update. So when you close them, then you can go to your dashboard over here and go to your sales, and over here, as you can see, all of them have appeared online in your sales dashboard. I've done this twice, so that's why it has come twice. If I had done it only once, it wouldn't have been updated. So if I change something over here, it changes as well. Maybe I want to remove, maybe I want to put country instead of manufacturer and remove manufacturer from here. So what I do is I remove field, and I want to, since this is related, and then we can go to our pin manager and we can update, 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 and update. When we close this and look at our values, as you can see, it has been sorted according to country. This is our, it's a little blurry because it hasn't been loaded up till now, but these two files are the country files that we've just updated. So I hope you've understood how the values work. These are just pictures and you can't really snapshot it, but they're useful in their own ways as well. So I hope you've understood how the pinning works in Microsoft Power BI and Excel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson as well.